الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After the announcement on stage, Amna moved forward, holding hands of her dear mother in order to receive award for securing position. After the end of the ceremony, her mother was preparing to go back home. A voice came from behind. "Where have you been? You are seldom seen." When she turned to see, she found that Farheen and Rahila were standing and smiling there. "Oh, you," Amna's mum said happily, and the three ladies, saying salam and shaking hands with each other, sat on the nearby chairs. "I do not get free time after fulfilling my family responsibilities. Anyway, the father of Amna also wants me to give more and more time to home and children," she said while counting her busy routine activities. Farheen immediately said, "Yes, these men want women to remain imprisoned in their homes, whereas they themselves enjoy outside from morning till evening." Until that time, Rahila brought tea for all from the school canteen. Only women think like this, but reality is not like that. Men work all day long, full of mental and physical hardships, along with bearing anger of the boss, not for their own facilitation or comfort, but rather for fulfilling the desire of wife and children and for providing them with better life. These are the joys of their life, Amna's mum said while picking up a cup of tea. What types of wishes? Whenever we ask for something, we hear the same thing. Nowadays, I'm running short of money, or I need something else. Yes, they fulfill the wishes of their mother and sisters immediately. Rahila entered the conversation with a bitter tone. "Sister Rahila, do not lose heart. Whatever we are desired for, we will definitely get it even if someone creates 100 obstacles." Amna's mum stopped to take a sip of tea and then said while continuing her conversation, "Don't mind, I am a woman just like you. Therefore, I know women's wants are never satisfied. If there is no place to put clothes in the cupboard, even then they will complain of running short of clothes. If they see someone having better things than them, they will begin complaining to their husbands. Due to such serious matters, they are ungrateful to their husbands. And regarding this, I read a blessed hadith yesterday. Let me tell it to you. The beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, "In hell, I have seen women in majority." Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what is the reason for this? Blessed companions radiyallahu ta'ala anhum asked. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "They are ungrateful." The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam was humbly asked, "Are they ungrateful to Allah Almighty?" Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam replied, "They are ungrateful to their husbands and deny receiving their favors." If you do good to any woman throughout your life, even then she will say if she faces a minor issue, wish not fulfilled from you, "I have never seen anything good from you." Having heard the conversation of her, the embarrassment on the face of Farheen and Rahila showed that they were ashamed of their previous thought. So we should be grateful to all of things we have.